Hello friends, welcome to our video on the conjunction for. Title: Understanding the conjunction for. We're going to learn about the conjunction for is a small word with a big role in a sentences. For example, she stayed up late for she had an important exam the next day. Here, for explains the reason she stayed up late. Tom didn't go to school for he was feeling unwell. The word for is used to give the reason Tom didn't attend the school. They decided to cancel the trip for the weather was terrible. For is explaining why they cancelled their trip. The cat was meowing loudly for she was hungry. For used here to show the reason the cat is meowing. He didn't answer the phone for he was deeply engrossed in his book. For is explaining why he didn't answer the phone. She took a break for she had run a long distance. For here explains why she needs a break. The child was asking for a snack, for she was hungry. Here Ferg explains the reason behind the child's request. He went to the store for his fridge was empty. Ferg is showing the reason why he went to the store. They bought extra groceries for they were expecting guests. For here explains why they brought extra groceries. She took her umbrella for the forecast predicated rain. For explains why she took her umbrella. She dressed warmly, for it was a cold day. For explains why she chose to wear warm clothes. The child finishes homework quickly for he wanted to go out and play. For shows the reason for the child's quick work. He drank a lot of water for he was thirsty. For explains why he drank so much water. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun lessons.